Hey, this is Grae, and I am here with the SureShade team at the Miami Boat Show, and today we're going to be taking a look at a bunch of different boats here with their retractable shade. Let's go and take a look. Hey guys, we're at the Miami Boat Show, and today we're taking a look at the WorldCat 400 DCX. You can see this is a beautiful boat. It's got an awesome large cockpit in here that you can have plenty of people out on the boat and get some sun, or when you don't want some sun, you have the SureShade retractable awning. So it's just all around great boat, and we're going to just keep going around and looking at more of them here at the Miami Boat Show. Hi, we're on the Blackwater 43 SF here at the Miami Boat Show, and you can see this is the ultimate fishing and luxury boat here. It's got four 400 Mercury Verados on it. It also has 15 rod holders across the back, along with another bunch of them here. And then when you retract your SureShade, it'll be able to put rods there. And when it's sunny like today, you have it out and you're covered and protected from the sun. You take a look up here, it's got two giant Garmin electronic fish finders on it. And this is, like they say, where luxury and fishing unite. On the Blackwater 43 SF. Hi, we're on the Scout 530 LXF, and this thing's a fishing machine. It's got the SureShade on it, but it also has the fishing outriggers and tower, and you can go in any water you want to get out there and go catch some monster fish. Its shade is currently coming out here. It protects you from the sun, and then we also have the 5 Mercuries across it. They're all 4-stroke and plenty of power for this boat. And you can see here we have the SureShade that is extending currently, and it has the rod holders that actually flip down when the shade is out. And then when it retracts, they flip back up so you get ready to put all your rods in there. This has the large fishing tower on it. It has the outriggers for when you're out there trolling and going out there to catch some giant saltwater fish. All right, we're on the Crevalle 33 CSF, and you can see this is a fishing machine. It's made for going way offshore, going out and catching those big tuna, nothing like the bass fishing I do. But we got the SureShade automated shade here, and it goes in and out. We have live wells, we got the 2 Mercuries on it to get you in and out safe and sound. And this is just an all-around fishing boat.
Renegade power boats, and check out our new 38 open.
We're going to be taking a walk through, looking at this great feature, how it's all open up here in the front. Plenty of room for either relaxing on the seats here, or you can even go back and we can go take a look at the great feature where it has a shower built in. I haven't seen one in this on any of the boats, which is really exciting. It's a great idea. You're swimming, you want to get the salt grime off of you when you get back in the water. Alright, this boat is also equipped with the SureShade MTX2, the stainless steel manufacturing here. You can see you can put those 2 clips in, we're going to bring it in, come with the first step, push it again in the second, it'll lock into place. When we're bringing it out, we get our hands here on these 2 stickers that say push here, and that's going to let you bring it out into the first section, then we'll step up again. We'll pull it out into the last section. It locks in place and it keeps you protected from the sun. Great addition to the Renegade 38 Open.